We've never talked about this free software before, but it pays users from all over the world every 60 seconds in exchange for answering questions. You can use it on your phone, tablet, laptop, or computer, and all you have to do is do that to earn money via PayPal. It's extremely basic and easy to generate money while lounging in bed, walking, going to the beach, or outside in nature. Before we continue, welcome to the Make Money Online channel, where we'll teach you the most recent making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the notification bell, and lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. So these are the apps that we'll be using. I'm going to use the desktop version since it'll be easier to use. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tactics that will enable you to earn even more money and do it much faster than you would otherwise. I think it works much better on your phone than it does on a laptop or computer with a website. The goal of this app is to make the web a better place, and make money with this app is a really fun process. There are a few reasons why I really like it and why they think it's excellent for a complete beginner. So don't miss out if you really want to make this work. Stay tuned until the end of the video because I'll show you how to maximize your results and earn even more money now. It's simple to perform and doesn't require any prior knowledge. I'll go over everything in detail and teach you how to do it step by step. The best thing is that they pay through PayPal, which I know a lot of you men love receiving money from PayPal. So if you follow each and every step in this video and don't skip any, you'll have no issue making money with this program. This application is widely used and has been available online for some time. I've done a lot of research and read a lot of reviews about this app, and everyone appears to be satisfied with how much money they can start just by going to their website or downloading the app that I'll explain to you in a moment. On your phone, tablet, laptop, or computer, visit their official homepage. It works with all those gadgets. I'd want you to go to this website or app right away, and where it says sign up with email, I want to create a new account. Therefore, please enter a valid email address. After doing so, you'll need to create a password for your account and confirm it. Finally, you'll need to read and accept the terms outlined in General's privacy policy and terms of service, which you can read by clicking on one of these two links. You'll be able to see that they sent you a confirmation email as soon as you hit enroll. Please follow the link in the email to activate your account by clicking on Confirm My Account. Simply click on Confirm My Account precisely here. Using the account login option on the screen, you should now give them a little bit more about yourself. I am not a robot, so I'll just click on Continue since we can see that it's a really enjoyable procedure with a really fantastic design, and it feels really pleasant to utilize this website. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you've liked the video thus far, and if you found it useful and informative, please leave a comment below. It's time to return to work and start making some money. Now, I've accepted your challenges by clicking Accept. Now that I've accepted your challenges by clicking Accept, the simple and straightforward challenge will start, and I'll show you an example test and explain in detail what you must do with this website to earn money. Let's do this. I'll provide my PayPal address so that they may continue to send me money. I also suggest that you follow suit. So enter your PayPal email address and choose the languages you speak now. If you speak English fluently in another language, you can decide that the more languages you know, the more work you'll have to do and money you'll be able to make. I'll choose English for the time being and press Continue. As you can see, they accept users from all around the world and will ask you for your country code. This is a fresh function. I like it and would recommend it. Anyhow, I'll input my phone number and click Proceed. Previously, they only accepted users from high-profile nations like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. They'll ask you about your home country, so don't hesitate to respond. They will also ask you whether you'd like to take a test as soon as one is available, and some individuals make the error of selecting no. You will, however, be added to a waiting list if you do. Thus, press this yes button immediately. You can earn a lot more money with this website, which I highly recommend. If so, select your gender, date of birth, and educational level before clicking proceed. Now, despite your current level of education, I strongly suggest you to continue your study. Therefore, even though you have a high school diploma, I advise choosing a graduate or postgraduate from a college. What occurs is that you claim that the more responsibilities you have and the more money you may earn, the higher degree of education you have. Trust me on this, it doesn't matter if you didn't actually graduate from college. Click continue to select your day job now, but I highly recommend that you click I improve myself, so you can handle increasing amounts of labor. Choose anything you like and then click continue. If you don't work in any field or even if you are unemployed, input a few of your skills or abilities. They are looking for people that can accomplish a lot of things and also have a lot going on in their lives, because the more entries you make, the more money you can make. Therefore, it is best if you enter more. So, how do you earn a living? Just how you get paid, and if you don't have a job, choose whatever you want for your yearly income, even if it's zero. However, I strongly suggest you choose as much as you can, which could be 6 digits or even more, because the higher your yearly income, the more jobs you'll get, and obviously, the more money you'll make. I recognize that it isn't fair, but that is the way things are right now, in response to some of your interests or hobbies. You may make more money if you have more of it. You will now be prompted to answer questions about your computer skills and daily internet usage. Because they aren't searching for people who don't even use the internet. You must choose between 4 to 5 hours and 6 or more hours. If you choose less than an hour, we will most certainly deny your application, and you will almost certainly be blacklisted from our website. If you have both a mobile and a desktop, you can choose both when they ask you what device you want to test on. Since you can now take the test on all your devices, including a tablet, you may now earn 3 times as much money with this website. As you can see, you have been approved. To end the procedure, just click Complete Registration. I'm truly sorry, but even if you followed all the instructions I gave you previously, if you skipped any of the processes, you might have been rejected. After we're done, click on to finish creating your account, so that we can begin performing those assignments and earning money. Bring me to my dashboard. As you can see, they will present you with a selection of arbitrary questions from which you can profit. For instance, I'll answer if they asked if I've ever heckled a comedian. Yes, continue, and the better the results, the more questions you can answer. The progress bars do really alter at any time. Just answering a question is all there is to it. You simply click yes or no to respond to these questions, and when additional tests are made available, you will either receive an email notification or be able to go into your entirely new and authentic app account to view the new test. Simply complete the exam, which may only take a minute, to earn anywhere between $4 and $15. They will quiz you and want information from you about their websites, services, and other things, but it is all free. As you can see, it took us less 2 minutes to sign up and start responding to these inquiries. Once you have earned enough points, you can cash out to PayPal to continue receiving payments. Of course, using this app won't make you rich. You might be able to earn a little dollars here and there, but it won't be enough to make a significant difference in your life. Simply type enrollapp.com into your browser and search it on your computer, phone, or tablet to start making money anywhere you are. If you enjoy this type of content, check out some of my other videos. If you enjoy it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any additional queries.